Hi there, and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to set up the nearest and most popular tourist places for your booking engine page. Including nearest and important tourist places on the booking engine page can be very helpful, both for your guests and your business. A booking engine with rich local content builds trust and encourages users to book directly rather than on OTAs. Guests can immediately see what's around your property, helping them plan their itinerary without needing to leave your website. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your Bookingjini Channel Manager. On the left-hand side menu, click on Booking Engine. Now select the Places tab. Here's where you can start adding the nearby tourist spots. Include a short description for each location, and don't forget to mention the distance from your hotel. Once you've entered all the details, just click Save, and you're done. You've successfully added the tourist places to your booking engine page. If you need any help or run into an issue, our support team is always just a message away. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials right here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.